In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications from certain emails on Gmail. If you've ever wanted Gmail to notify you only for messages that really matter, this quick setup will do exactly that by using Gmail's important mail notifications. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser on your computer. Once your inbox is visible, look for the gear icon near the top right of the page. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel, then select See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where you need to be. Now, scroll down the General page until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Here, you'll see a few options for how Gmail alerts you on your desktop. Choose Important Mail Notifications on. This tells Gmail to notify you only when a message marked as important lands in your inbox, rather than pinging you for every single email. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, make sure you allow it so Gmail can actually display the alerts. Some computers also control notifications at the system level, so if you don't see alerts later, double-check your browser or operating system notification settings as a quick troubleshooting step. After selecting Important Mail Notifications on, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is essential. If you don't save, the setting won't stick. From here on, you'll get desktop notifications only for emails that Gmail considers important. Gmail is pretty smart about this and uses signals like who you email most and which messages you open. You can also help it learn by manually marking messages as important. Look for the small importance marker next to a message in your inbox. Clicking it toggles whether Gmail treats that conversation as important. Over time, Gmail gets better at understanding what you care about. If you already use rules or filters that mark certain messages as important, those will work seamlessly with this setting and trigger notifications for those emails. A couple of quick tips. Keep a Gmail tab open in your browser for the most reliable desktop notifications. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, repeat this setup for each account you want to manage separately. And if you decide you want more or fewer alerts later, return to the same desktop notifications section to adjust. That's it. With important mail notifications on and your important messages clearly marked, you'll get timely alerts only for the emails that matter most.